journey, I would like to express to you, to all the Americans, our most heartfelt thanks for the liberation of Luxembourg. Your armies and your soldiers have been more than good fighters, and I know that the people of Luxembourg receives them with their whole heart.
Luxembourg has shown real hospitality to our soldiers, not only during the fighting, but afterwards as well. I know all of our armed soldiers need to regret having to leave Luxembourg.
As in the last war, the arrival of the American soldiers meant to us the return of freedom and independence. We want America to know that although our country is small, our gratitude is great. And we will never forget what America has helped us. To your armies occupying Germany, I wish Godspeed and a speedy victory. And now I would like to express to you personally, Colonel Fraser, all my most heartfelt thanks for all you've done for Luxembourg since the day of its liberation.
Thank you. Thank you.